Where'd your brothers go? Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Mr. Tizza. See ya, dude. You're just gonna leave the twins in there? You wanna look out the back door. Hey, Fluffy Tummy. What you doing? It's Mr. Handsome Green Eyes there. Just like Daddy. Well, maybe a little more handsome than Daddy. Oh, those is not easy. You smell anything out there you want to kill or eat? Where'd your brothers go? They're boring. Let's go see. We'll go see for ourselves. Oh, where's one? I think that's the O. In the Ziggy Zoo? It's probably still left back here somewhere. In the bedroom. With the bee. Hi, honey. I know, Mommy's not home and it sucks.